Hey everybody, just want to show you all my favorite way to play the Bluegrass G lick, and I think this is the best way to play it on guitar. Just like that. Very first note is right there, 6th string, 3rd fret, and pay attention to my fretting hand. You're going to use your middle finger on that very first note of the G lick. And the reason for this is because a lot of times you'll be working into the G lick just after playing the G chord. And when you're playing the G chord, your middle finger is already on that note. So we're going to use our middle finger, and then the next part of the lick is on the 5th string. Pick, slide up, slide with your pointer finger, pick, slide up. So and then pick, pull off. That's the next part. That's on the 4th string, and I'm using my pointer finger. Pick, pull off. Pick, pull off. Pick, pull off. And then just finish it with the pick on that 3rd string right there. So let's practice it. If you're wondering what strumming pattern I'm using right here over this G chord, the strumming pattern is real simple. Form that G chord, and we'll do pick, down, up, 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 There are a ton of different variations of this G lick. That last one wasn't a G lick really, but that was more just a bluegrass guitar lick. But anyways, if you want to learn more complicated bluegrass guitar licks, you can check out my guitar lick library at countryguitaronline.com. Got a ton of different licks and a bunch of different keys over there, but just want to show you all the most common lick in bluegrass, that bluegrass G lick.